Here's how to save and restore the configuration of your OS 10 switch. Log into the switch and run dir config. The startup.xml file contains your saved configuration. When you run write memory, any changes you've made to the running configuration are saved to this file. Use the copy command to copy it to your home directory. Then run dir home to check it was successful. Now, let's change the hostname. Run config, then hostname with the new name, and exit. You can see the command prompt has changed to the new hostname. If we now write memory, our startup.xml file will contain the new hostname, and our startup-copy.xml will contain the old one. To restore the old configuration, copy it from home to config, renaming it startup.xml. Then reboot the switch with reload. After restarting, you can see the old hostname has been restored. As well as using the home directory, you can copy to and restore from an FTP server using these commands, or a USB drive using these. Thanks for watching.